autofocus. 49-point AF system. Phase detection points built onto sensor. One-shot AF and servo AF. As we've mentioned, Canon's original EOS M got quite a kicking for its sluggish AF performance. There was no issue with its accuracy, the problem was with the time it took to lock onto subjects, and it wasn't anywhere near as snappy as its rivals. Things have improved since then with the M3 and M10, and the M5 takes things up a sizable notch. The camera uses Canon's latest dual-pixel CMOS AF system, in which all the pixels on the surface of the sensor are made up of two separate photodiodes, which are read separately for phase detection AF, and together for imaging. We've been impressed with this system in the likes of the EOS 80D and 5D Mark IV, and it doesn't disappoint in the EOS M5. Compared to the original EOS M, AF performance is almost unrecognizable. Focusing is nice and quick, while the ability to touch and drag the AF point with your thumb on the rear display while you have the camera raised to your eye makes quick AF area selection very straightforward. You don't have to swipe across the whole screen either. If you want, you can set this function to half or a quarter of the display in the menu. Coverage is pretty good too, with 80% of the image area covered and 49 AF points at your disposal, on a grid of 7 by 7. While face and subject tracking can also be specified.